people and like this, they're all here to see circus.
For the clothes, maybe it's better to bring them to Sikamia to speak with somebody from our people that they are working there. And there are cars every day that they are going to support a camp there, which is more alternative. There came some people from Athens, they work with immigrants and some immigrants, and they built a camp just in the sea where the boats are arriving, because the first camp was a little bit more up. And the first thing that you do is to give a little bit of tea or something to eat, and to take the clothes, the wet clothes, and give some dry clothes.
Yeah.
So there is where the clothes mostly they need them.
Okay.
So, but don't worry, we organize when we reach Mytilene.
We have like 60, 70 sweatshirts, 50 pants, 50 socks, something like that. Even for little children we have socks.
Thanks to Patra.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Patra and Belgian money.
And Belgium money. Thanks to the Belgians. Merci to the Belgium.
I would like to organize a show that we can bring the refugee people and kids, and but also the locals, so that people are seeing that everyone's human. We're all the same people, and we can all enjoy something together.
That it's not like migrants and locals and you guys are different, you guys are
Yes, that's
To make an event somewhere like
in the center of the
place,
yes, that is the best idea.
it's for everybody.
For the, yes.
Are they free? How free they are when they get to this ONG?
They can go to the shops and buy cell phones, but
They can go out all the time, nothing is organized, but
Tag time.
how about that?
They are
It's
free.
open camps,
They
like
are
the one we went in.
They are free.
Fuck it, talking time. Whoa.
Talking time.
So serious, we come from that way.